Hello, this is Karen Yancey from the College of St. Rose, and I'm going to show you how to use the Canvas Student app. Select the red and white circle to open the Canvas Student app, and it will take you to your dashboard. You will see that there is a menu icon in the upper left, and it will show you that you can access your files and you can change settings. You can change settings such as email notifications and push notifications. At the bottom, you'll see a dashboard and then a calendar. The calendar will notify you of due dates. And there's a to-do list, which will notify you of assignments you need to complete. If you click on an assignment, it will take you into the instructions. The notifications are frequently announcements that your instructor posts or due dates as well. It also has an email feature where you can create an email message by clicking on the plus sign in the upper right corner. You can select a course and you can attach a file. If you don't have any attachments currently uploaded, you can click on the plus sign in the upper right corner and you can upload an attachment from your phone or upload a file from your phone. Or you can also record audio. You can use a camera to record a video, and you can choose a photo from your photo library. To upload a file, you click on Upload File, and it will list all the files that you have that you can upload from your other apps.